I don't think they know exactly what they want to do and, what that would actually entail. Do they want to just copy what Europe's doing? Are we going to do something differently? Is the key here breaking these companies up? Is it regulating them? But I certainly think that there are members of Congress who think that these companies are too big, too powerful, that they're indeed squashing competition, and something has to be done. I think a lot of people think that's the case. I think Republicans, less than Democrats, haven't quite figured out what the proper attack vector is here yet. But certainly I think Democrats think this is a case of unbridled market power.
Yeah, Ali, do you think there's any chance that any of the names that you follow will be broken up or regulated to the point where it's almost a de facto breakup?
That's a little bit tough to tell because from a breakup standpoint, we do have an example. As you know, in 1984, AT&T was actually broken up. But now, of course, since then, I should say, consolidation took place, and now you look at that space, and there's still only a few players left in that space. So that's a tough one. But from a regulatory standpoint, I do think that over the let's say a year and a half from now, we will see some additional regulations regarding specifically around data privacy and data security. They have a pretty good example of that in terms of what Europe has done with GDPR. So I think that's a little bit easier and more efficient and clear to understand for our lawmakers to take action.
Jimmy, do you think any of these companies? Go ahead.
No, I say if what ends up happening is that Congress Congress does what Europe does, that's not terrible for big incumbent companies who
Agreed.
can deal with data privacy regulation. That ultimately that's a pro-incumbency kind of move.
That's a great point. We certainly agree. We've published this before. It basically creates, in other words, barriers to entries for actually smaller companies.